Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Cadillac Escalade. Stock number is 18F356A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Those are, of course, 22-inch chrome wheels. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You do have a rear-facing entertainment center and a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, heated steering wheel controls, audio and Bluetooth controls all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escalade on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.